Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve overheating issue on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus smartphone. First of all, I want to mention that it's completely normal for your device to overheat while it's being charged via the rapid charger. So if you are fast charging your smartphone, be prepared for your device to overheat. The best thing that you can do is remove the protective case from your smartphone and placing it in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Now, to lower down this effect, we can use this free tool available on our smartphone, which is called PhoneMaster, and it has the shield icon. Here we can clean the junk files, we can optimize our memory, we can scan files, we can clean our apps, we can go to battery management menu to optimize our battery usage, and these things we can do automatically within this application, all of which will improve our situation with overheating. But besides, there is plenty that we can do manually. Let's go to settings on our smartphone and let's check the battery lab menu. Now here in the battery lab menu, let's check the battery setting and go to battery usage, and here we'll be able to check which applications use our battery too much in the background and cause the overheating. So in my case, I can see that those applications are mostly the system ones. So let's say that this one is overheating our device. Now, in order to stop it from doing that, we have to restrict its background activity by tapping on it and select restricted. And after that, just leave your device in a cooler place, once again away from direct sunlight, and remove your protective case if needed. And also, do not abuse your smartphone while it's charging, because it also causes not only overheating, but also the battery damage of your device. And these are all the pieces of advice for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.